Hey DIYers and woodworking enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. The right tools are crucial for precision, efficiency, and creativity. There's nothing more satisfying than a finished project you built yourself. Today, I'll introduce game-changing tools every woodworker needs. These tools help you work faster, improve accuracy, and elevate your projects. Hit like, subscribe for more tips, and let's jump right in. First up, we've got the digital caliper. This little tool measures wood thickness, depths, and inside and outside diameters with laser-like precision, displaying the readings on a handy LCD screen. The digital caliper is indispensable for checking the thickness of your stock before you make a cut, measuring dowels, and ensuring proper spacing for things like dovetails. It's a must-have for any woodworker who values precision and accuracy. Now let's talk about the cornerstone of good woodworking, the precision woodworking square. This tool is all about ensuring perfect 90-degree angles, which, as you know, are crucial for just about every cut and joint you'll make. Invest in a high-quality aluminum square, one that will stand the test of time and hold its accuracy through thick and thin. Trust me, your woodworking projects will thank you for it. Now let's talk saws, specifically the Japanese pull saw. Unlike your typical Western push saw, the Japanese pull saw cuts on the pull stroke. It requires less effort and produces a cleaner, more precise cut. The Japanese pull saw is a tool for the patient craftsman, the one who takes pride in precision and finesse. It might take a little getting used to, but once you master the pull saw, you'll never go back. Chapter 4, Flush Cut Saw, the Cleanup Crew. Whether you're trimming dowels, plugs, or any other kind of protruding wood, you need a tool that can make a clean cut without damaging the surrounding wood. That's where the flush cut saw comes in. This saw is like the meticulous editor of the woodworking world, cleaning up any imperfections and leaving a smooth, seamless surface. With a flush cut saw in your arsenal, you'll achieve professional-looking results. Chapter 5, Router Plane, the Groove Master. The router plane is all about flattening and refining grooves, dados, and mortises. While a router can hog out material quickly, the router plane allows for more controlled, nuanced work. The router plane is especially useful for cleaning up tenons and creating those perfectly snug-fitting joints that make your woodworking projects stand out. It's a tool that rewards patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the wood you're working with. Chapter 6, Auto-Adjust Toggle Clamps Clamping Reinvented. A good set of clamps is essential for any woodworking project, but let's be honest, adjusting those clamps can be a real pain in the neck. That's where auto-adjust toggle clamps come in. These ingenious clamps automatically adjust to different material thicknesses, which means you can spend less time fiddling with your clamps and more time actually building. Auto-adjust toggle clamps are particularly useful for holding down stock for drilling, sanding, or routing. Chapter 7, Corner Clamps, the cornerstone of precision. These handy tools are specifically designed to help you secure wood at a perfect 90-degree angle, which is essential for creating strong, precise joints. Whether you're building boxes, picture frames, cabinets, or any other project that requires square corners, corner clamps are your best friend. They take the guesswork out of aligning your pieces, ensuring that your joints are tight and gap-free. Corner clamps are a relatively inexpensive investment that will save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Chapter 8, Random Orbital Sander Sanding Nirvana. It's not the most glamorous aspect of woodworking, but it's an essential step in achieving a smooth, professional-looking finish. And when it comes to sanding, the Random Orbital Sander is king. The Random Orbital Sander provides a swirl-free finish with even pressure distribution. It's ideal for finishing large surfaces, refinishing furniture, and removing imperfections. So if you're tired of those pesky swirl marks and want to achieve a finish that's as smooth as a baby's bottom, invest in a good random orbital sander. Chapter 9, Contour Sanding Grips, Conquering Curves and Contours. These simple yet ingenious tools are basically rubber grips that conform to different shapes, allowing you to sand those hard-to-reach areas with ease. Contour sanding grips are ideal for sanding curved surfaces, moldings, and intricate designs. They're also great for smoothing out rough edges and removing excess glue. And the best part is, they're relatively inexpensive. Grab a set of contour sanding grips and make your life a whole lot easier. Chapter 10. Let's talk about joinery. Specifically, pocket hole joinery. The pocket hole jig allows you to drill angled holes and then drive screws through those holes to create incredibly strong joints that are hidden from view. The pocket hole jig is a must-have for building furniture, cabinets, and sturdy frames. Even a novice woodworker can master the art of pocket hole joinery with a little practice. If you're looking for a traditional approach to joinery, you need a good doweling jig. It drills perfectly aligned holes for wooden dowels, creating strong, seamless joints without visible screws or nails. Perfect for furniture making and cabinet making. Now let's talk about angles. Whether you're setting up saw blades or making precise miter cuts, you need a reliable way to measure angles. That's where the digital angle finder comes in. It provides precise readings on a clear display. Invest in a digital angle finder and take the guesswork out. Want to elevate your woodworking projects? Add artistry and personalization with a CNC router or laser engraver. These tools are easier to use than you think. A CNC router carves intricate designs, while a laser engraver burns designs into wood. Create custom furniture, personalized cutting boards, or intricate wooden signs. Combine traditional craftsmanship with modern tech for unique pieces. That wraps up our list of innovative woodworking tools. These gadgets will save you time and improve precision. Woodworking is more than just a hobby, it's a way of life. It's about transforming raw materials into something beautiful and functional. Which of these tools do you already use? Which one are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow and share my love of woodworking. Subscribe for more tips and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep building and creating amazing things. Gap 1S. But wait, we're not done just yet. Introducing the ultimate finishing touch to your woodworking arsenal, the multi-angle edge trimmer. This versatile tool is designed to give your projects that professional, polished look. With its adjustable angles and razor-sharp blades, it effortlessly trims edges, leaving you with clean, smooth finishes every time. Gap 1S, the multi-angle edge trimmer is perfect for both straight and curved edges, making it an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so you can take it anywhere your woodworking adventures lead you. Gap 1S. Imagine the satisfaction of running your fingers along a perfectly trimmed edge, knowing that your project not only looks amazing but also feels amazing. This tool is a game changer for anyone serious about woodworking, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Gap 1S. So if you're looking to elevate your craftsmanship and add that perfect finishing touch, the multi-angle edge trimmer is a must-have. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Gap 1S. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building and creating amazing things.